Just a quick video update for you, buddy. These are my carrots, as you can see, coming on very nicely. Parsnips. These are my mid-crop potatoes that I grew from the supermarket, which seem to be doing very well. My onions, which I'm particularly proud of. The last of my chilies from the chili challenge had a bit of a disaster, bud. And tomatoes. And new potatoes, which I've just finished topping up today, and soon to be strawberries. Video incoming. Owen has very kindly sent me 2 strawberry plants, which he's done from cuttings. So I'm going to pop these on through, and let's see how they grow as well. Okay. Owen has very kindly sent me 2 strawberry plants. Unfortunately I did film it, but my camera seemed to go funny on me, so I'm just going to plant the second one out for now again. And then there we are. I'm just going to give the whole garden a good water. Hope your garden's doing as well, buddy. That's annoying.